In this video, we can see how the President of India is elected. The President is not directly elected by the people but by members of Electoral College. What is an Electoral College? Electoral College consists of elected members of both Houses of Parliament, that is Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha, that is Member of Parliament, MPs. Elected members of Legislative Assemblies of State, that is MLAs. Elected members of Union Territory of Delhi and Puducherry having Legislative Assembly, that is MLAs of Union Territory. Those who do not participate are nominated members of both Houses of Parliament, that is Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha MPs, nominated members of State Legislative Assembly, that is MLAs who are nominated, and MLAs who are nominated of Union Territory of Delhi and Puducherry, and elected and nominated member of Legislative Council, that is upper house of the state. In case of bicameral legislature assembly, the elected or nominated member of the upper house, that is Legislative Council, cannot participate in the election of president. The president election is held in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote, and the voting is by secret ballot. Each member will have one ballot paper. For example, take 5 members as a candidate. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All members should give the preference in order from 1 to 5. In the first round, the candidate with the highest preference first vote, that is the candidate with highest first preference vote, is declared as elected until a specific votes are polled for that particular candidate. That is, if most members prefer 3 as their first choice and attains the required quota, is elected as president. If the first preference votes that are polled does not fulfill the required quota of votes, the second round take place. In the second round, the candidate with the least preference first votes is cancelled, and his second preference choice are transferred into the remaining candidates as their first preference votes until it attains the quota. Thus, who has the highest first preference votes is elected as the President of India. All doubts and disputes in connection with the election of president are inquired into and decided by the Supreme Court, whose decision is final and binding.